Hey everyone! Welcome back. I will show you how to build a simple website with Claude AI on Android. You do not need to write the HTML yourself. We will give Claude a clear prompt, create an interactive artifact, and inspect the finished page. Start on Home, swipe up for the app drawer, find Claude, and tap it. On a blank new chat, describe the site you want. Type, create a simple one-page website for Sunrise Coffee with a hero section, menu cards, and a contact button as an interactive artifact. Interactive artifact tells Claude to create a preview you can open. Tap Send, and Claude begins creating sunrise-coffee.html. Wait until Claude finishes and the response shows one artifact. Find the card labeled Sunrise Coffee with code, HTML underneath it. Tap that card. Claude opens the generated HTML in its built-in preview, and the finished Sunrise Coffee hero appears, instead of a block of raw code. The first screen is the website hero, with opening hours, the Sunrise Coffee headline, a description, and 2 buttons. Swipe upward slowly inside the preview. The page moves to the menu section, where the heading and first styled product card become visible. Keep swiping to review Claude's work. The menu uses separate cards with product names, prices, descriptions, and category labels. Continue past the coffee items. Near the bottom, Claude created a contact block with a Get in Touch button, sample address, phone number, and business hours, making this a complete one-page layout. Tap the X in the upper left corner to return to Claude. The website remains attached as an artifact, ready to reopen or revise. To recap, open a new chat, describe the page and sections you need, ask for an interactive artifact, send the prompt, open the HTML card, and inspect the result. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials.